Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. In this video, I'm going to share with you good news and one bad news. People were asking me that PUN2 have been deprecated. So answer is no. So here you can see I have done so much tutorial on the PUN2 and people were asking me that PUN2 is deprecated. So answer is no. It is not deprecated, but PUN2 is not a future. Yes, so you have to accept it. Going to start any new project, so you have to not implement PUN2. You have to implement Photon Fusion. They have created new SDK that is very powerful in multiplayer. So if your game is old, so here you can see, let's go. Here is the Fusion 2 introduction. So I'm just working on it, and this is the good news that you will get tutorials soon. I'm just going through these topics and soon I will share, and I will also share that what is the difference between PUN2 and Fusion 2. So here you can see it is also a Fusion 2, so don't confuse, I will explain everything. And here is the bad news that here you can see PUN Classic, V1, PUN2 and Bolt are in maintenance mode. So it is not deprecated, it is in maintenance mode, means they will not launch any new feature on this SDK. So if your project have been created, you are working on that, so you have to not worry about anything. You can deploy your project, and here you can see they have given the Unity version. PUN2 will be supported Unity 2019 to 2022. So this version will be supported in PUN2, and in 2023 it will be not supported. So you have to learn the Fusion 2. And why I'm calling Fusion 2, because Photon have launched Fusion 2 on Unity Asset Store, and earlier they have released the development SDK of Fusion 1. So there were lots of bug and they fix it, and now after the fixing they have launched Fusion 2 that is on Unity Asset Store. So this is the news, and hope you got surprised, you got something surprising. But don't worry about anything, because what happens is that 10-year one technology consists, like PUN1 was around 2017 from 2010, and after that PUN2 were working very efficiently, and now it is time to say bye to PUN2. Now we have to learn Fusion. So Fusion is really very interesting and very powerful as compared to PUN2. So we will explain in the future tutorials. So stay tuned, Nested Mango channel. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.